Friends, hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm going to discuss some point to learn English, how we can learn English, what we need to do. And many people they are learning English just because they are working in a private company and where they find themselves, okay, I need to learn English because everybody there is speaking English and they are, growing day by day. And if we are talking about us, so we are not growing just because we don't have command over, right? So what we need to do, how we can improve our communication and how we can survive and how we can grow and how we can see our growth in day by day. So the first of all, we already mentioned in the every video, practice is important. Practice is actually more important. So if we are not doing practice, so we can't learn it, and it is completely true. And as for my understanding, if you have any partner like they correct you, if you are doing mistake and they can correct you, that is very good actually. You just try to find a partner. You want to join a tuition, if you like to join a tuition you can join. And see, I'll tell you the thing. You see you can correct yourself also, but if you have the partner who can correct you, you will get more impact to your communication, right? And you learn easily. So it is completely true. Somewhere I found it is completely true. If you have any kind of partner, any family member, friends, and they can correct you, so you will learn very easy way, right? So this is a very important. And another thing, every day, just you need to focus on every day. You just try to find a new thing. New thing means you just try to speak on traveling. You just try to speak on any technically thing, and you just try to speak in any travel, foods, agriculture, land and building. You just try to speak on these kind of topic. You just find on daily basis. You just daily basis you need to find new thing, how we can improve, what we need to do, how we can talk. And somewhere I found, if you are reading something like loudly, whatever you like, you just, everybody nowadays, everybody they uh, love story books, love story, they are watching movie. Everybody they liked, every youngster they like this, and they get interest also. So you just try to like read these kind of book, like episode wise. Every moment you think in your mind, okay, what next, so that you can read. And you just, when you are going to read, you just try to read loudly. When you are trying to read loudly, you will know your mouth, your tongue, it's habitual to speak, right? So it is a very important point. And apart from this, if we are talking about pronunciation, pronunciation is also very important part for English learning. If you are speaking but you are doing grammatical mistake, you are not be able to pronounce that sentences, that word meaning. So it is also very important. I am also doing a lot of mistake while conversation, but yeah, I am just thinking to reduce my mistake. I am listening a lot of broadcast, I am listening a lot of video on YouTube. I am trying to watch like short movie. I'm just, whenever I think in my mind, okay, I need to watch movie, I having interest to watch movie today, so that movie I'm just trying to watch in English, so that I observe how people are talking, right? And we also know the situation, in which situation how we need to talk, and how we need to express our tone in that moment, right? It is also very important for English learning, right? If anyone happy, so that way you need to present yourself. Yeah, if anybody sad, and that way you need to present yourself, right? So these things also very important. And how we can talk and what we need to do. So this is also very important part for English learning. And you know uh, the last thing just I want to tell you to everybody, don't focus on too much on grammar. Yeah, you know grammar, then only possible to learn. If you don't know about the grammar, how you need to mix sentences and how where I need to talk like which way, to you can't talk actually. You must aware about grammar, but I am saying you know the grammar, then you can start speaking. But don't focus on too much. A lot of thing is there in grammar. If I talk about our native language, you are not doing any kind of theoretically for learning that language, but you are very fluent in this. I am also fluent in Hindi. मुझे कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ आपसे या किसी से भी, इसलिए कि मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट 25 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है. सिंस आई चाइल्डहुड आई एम स्पीकिंग. Until now we are speaking in our family member, our family, everywhere. Whenever I going to outside who people are not be able to understand English, obviously I have to talk in Hindi only, because they are understanding Hindi and there is no any other way. But if I talk about English, everybody they are not speaking, but yeah, this is a very important. If we are going to work in a private company, if we are going to improve our like society, our like career, so we have to learn this. So that's why it is very important. But yeah, you just understand the thing and you just try to focus on communication. You just try to focus on conversation. You just do more and more conversation. Conversation is a very important. If we are doing daily basis conversation, it would be very great. Very soon you know you will find yourself huge impact actually. So this is also very important part for English learning. So that's why just I'm trying to say to everybody, just they try to focus on speaking part. Speaking and reading is also very important. It's a very powerful thing. If you are reading loudly, so whenever you're going to watch whenever you are going to read books, so there is no any grammatical mistake. They made with the proper structure. You just try to read loudly so that you can understand. And whenever you're going to do the like conversation, whenever you're going to talk with the other people, you will get like idea. Okay, here I need to, what I need to do actually, how I need to talk here, what we need to say, and what is the right thing. So this is a very important. So like that we can learn. So this is the thought for today, and I think it is very good. I'm also learning a lot of things, and guys, I'm telling you one thing, I'm also doing mistake while conversation. I'm a learner, and anybody who want to talk to me, and they can mail me and we can talk and we can discuss our point where we need to work ourselves, how we can improve our communication. This is very important. When you are talking to the people in front of the camera, you will get huge impact, and this is very important for learning English. So anybody who interested to talk to me, and they can mail me, you will get my email ID in my channel description. And thanks a lot, and keep practice. There is no any other substitute for that. And keep practice, have fun. Thank you so much. Take care.